As shown in this customer submitted video, installing our PVC column wraps is very easy. Firstly, you will need to install the PVC cleats provided to ensure a snug fit around your column. This customer already did, so feel free to reference the instructions provided with your order. Note, this customer is installing a railing. If installing a railing, ensure the rails are secured to the structural support. Use only code-approved methods for installation, a metal bracket or pressure-treated lumber for the thickness of the space between the post and the inside of the PVC wrap. After any cutting and trimming, lay the PVC wrap out and tape the outside edges with the tape provided. You may want to apply a band of tape as shown here to provide extra strength when picking up the wrap. After taping, flip the attached wrap over and lay it out on the installation sheets provided. This customer swept off any dust or debris, which is a good step to include. Run the PVC adhesive along the first 3 inside edges. It's okay to be thorough. Finally, run the PVC adhesive along the outside edge. Forming a U-shape, pick up the PVC and wrap your desired column. Tape the corner to allow a tight hold while the glue sets. Using a nail gun or hammer, pin the top and bottom of the panels in place while the glue sets. Here's a look at the finished product. Lightweight, strong, paintable, and super easy to install. Thanks for watching. And thank you to this customer for submitting this video.